You said I should be able to see the sky a bit, right? So
Not necessarily, but I said I found a
the
good
vehicle.
way. That one
Mm-hmm.
should be somewhere here in that corner.
Okay.
So here, somewhere,
It is.
and the same on the other side.
I think it is.
In that way, you can
Mm-hmm.
see the body of the car
Okay.
just a tiny bit. And then I said you don't need to. Maybe you misunderstood. I said
The
that you
building.
don't need to see the sky. Don't.
Nine. It's a building you told me. You asked me if I could see the building.
Yes.
Yeah.
So important for you is the traffic,
Mm-hmm.
the buildings, the
Mm-hmm.
people who are
Yeah.
walking there.
Mm-hmm. The
And
area
while
in blue.
the mirror is so huge,
Mm-hmm.
you can without a problem put it down slightly
Okay.
so that you can also see the line
Mm-hmm. Okay.
of the parking
Okay.
space.
Mm-hmm. I said it wrong. Sorry. You didn't said I should see the sky. You said the building. No.
Buildings,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Sometimes I'm asking, can you see the building there? Can you see
Mm-hmm.
the door? Things
Mm-hmm.
like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Also, did you have the chance to practice a bit?
Not a lot these days, but I was sick. I couldn't.
No, yeah.
My body wouldn't let me, and I have headaches and stuff. So
Hmm.
was not a good idea to try when you have headache.
Perfect decision. So last time we said we will decide next time, maybe based on your reflective log. You said when driving in foggy conditions went well, reduce your speed to visibility and process with caution. Proceed with caution. Yes. What didn't go so well when turning left at the stoplight and you are not sure when to give way, always ask your instructor for help. No, no, no.
Oh, yes, yes,
And repeat
yes.
this process until you are able to do it.
Yes, yes, yes. I
So
know. You can
I
tell
will
them
come
what I
back
say. Yes.
to this topic soon. What
Mhm,
could I do to improve practice what you learned until you can do it with confidence? Yes, you couldn't do that now because you were sick. No problem. Notes and questions at the junction without signs. When
mhm.
four vehicles are there, what's the best way to solve this problem? Okay, unregulated case,
Mhm.
no traffic lights, no signs,
Mhm.
nothing.
Mhm.
So you have junction one, two, three, four cars. You are here. So first question, how is this normally regulated? A
Um,
situation like this.
with hand that you can tell the person maybe to the left that he can go. I don't
Huh.
know.
I meant
I,
more like from the
okay.
priority. If a normal junction like this, who has priority normally?
Usually the person on the right hand side, but when there's nothing to regulate
Very
it,
good. So now the question is, you can you can you proceed
you should not. You should
because of why
because
can you not proceed?
there's four vehicles there. So I think one need to go first.
Hmm. But why can't you go? Because of whom?
Okay. If
Who
I
is
am
blocking
going
you?
if I am going to my left, if I would be turning like this, then this person would be blocking me.
Hmm. Let's assume
And
everyone wants to go straight,
okay,
or to make it a
then
bit
that
more, a bit less complex.
okay, if everybody want to go straight, I think that could be a crush, right?
Yes. But which car is blocking you? This is the
Which car
question.
is blocking me from going straight?
Yeah.
I think this car would be blocking me if he's coming here on this one. This one and this one. Because if he comes like this and I'm going like this and he's already here, then he's blocking me.
Let's assume no one is moving at the moment.
Okay.
Just when you think about the rules,
Mm-hmm.
which one is blocking you?
Okay. When I think about the rules, this one would be blocking me.
Yes, correct. So you cannot go because of him. So let's turn it around. Why can he not go?
Because the one to the right is
Because
blocking
of him.
him. Mhm.
Why can he and Han not go?
Because of him.
And why can he not go?
Because of him.
Because of you.
Yeah, because thank you. Oh, you
So
put me an eye. Thank you.
everyone,
Is blocking each other.
yes. So now I'm asking you, how could you solve that problem? Specifically, everyone could solve it, but
Hmm.
I'm asking you, what would be the solution?
The one that is blocking me, I let him go. Would I let him go? The one that would be blocking me.
But we said he cannot go because of him. How
Mm.
can you let him go?
Okay, the solution would be to use a how do you say, to indicate that the other person I can go.
Which
That's
one?
my that's a very good question. Maybe I am wrong, but I would still uh okay. I could start from my right. I am not sure, to be honest. I could start from my right or the left one.
So he cannot go
Mm-hmm.
because of him.
Yeah,
He cannot go
because of
because
me.
of you.
Okay, then because he cannot go because of me, then I will tell him first.
Yes, exactly. And then you solve the problem already.
Okay,
Because
can you explain how?
le- you're telling him it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Go. I'm waiting.
Mm-hmm.
I know I have priority over you, but I
Mm-hmm.
give it to you so you
Mm-hmm.
can go. Now he can go. He's free.
Okay.
Huh? And now
Mm-hmm.
who is going next?
Him.
And now?
Him. And then I stay and go love.
And you are the last one.
Okay. So you
Always
start
the
from the
person
left.
who is giving the signal has
Mm-hmm.
to wait until then.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why I assume that's why no one wants to give
Wait.
signal.
You know what? One of the things I really like about you, Stefan, the fact that you always explain it so good to me. You don't just, I just don't sit in the car and then you say, let's go, let's drive, or so you
Hmm.
explain things to me. I find that really, really good.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Thank you.